Hi guys, today I will show you how to create these two things. Like you see this like circle and this. But today I will never show how to do this, but I will show how to do this. Okay, so let's go to the program. It's called Canva. Okay. Go here. And then you go create a design. Then you search up logo. And then go here, and then go to elements, and then type in circle outline. And here are some circles. Find a circle outline, like this one. Make it big, like this kind of, like it could be whatever size, like this, or wait, no, like this. Like this, okay. Then, if you want to color the page, you can press here. Then there's this color combo, or whatever, like spiral. Then you can press any color you want, like lavender. And then the whole page is lavender. This time I'm gonna make a lavender one. And go to Google and type in whatever you want, like a flower, or a flower PNG. Don't forget to if a flower, and then type PNG at the end. Like you're gonna do whatever you want, but it has to be a PNG at the end. Go to images. Then pick whatever flower you want, like this one. Press on it. And this is a tutorial on the computer. Then press right click and then go copy image. Go back to the circle or whatever. And then press Ctrl V. Then you will get a flower. Shape it any size you want. Like I will shape it like right here. Okay. If you want to copy it, you go like where there's two pages and then another one and then plus. Press it and then you can like this. And then here we go. Then if you want something else, let's try let's go to, if you want an emoji, you can go emoji. Just type in emoji, then this will come up. Press on this, and then search whatever you want, like a heart. Then you'll find this or whatever, like copy it right here. Then you can paste it the same way, Ctrl V. And then here you go, here's your thing. Wait. Okay. Then you can place it wherever you want. Like this. Okay. Now, if you want to write something down, you can go to type. And then you can like choose a font like sparkle. Like let me see sparkle. You'll find this or this or this. Like let me choose this one. And then you have to like click on it and then write whatever you want. Flower. Wait. Flower. Store. Of love. Like that. Then if you want to change the like whatever how it looks like with, it's called like shift, I think. And if you want to make it like that, like in a line, you can like have this, then pull it on, and then like that, and you can make like click on it, then like text color. I'm gonna choose this color, and now I'm gonna change like the shrift. As you can see, you can press it right there, Let me see, what could fit? Like that. That's a good one. Let's make it smaller so it could be easier to see. Here we go. Let's make it long. Let's make it small now. Make it a little bit smaller. And don't forget, you can print it. Like that. No, wait, let's do it like I did. Oopsies. Like that. Let's make it bigger, like that. Oh, you know what? Let's change this to a heart. Like this. Here we go. And if you want to change it, here we go, like that. Okay, now you press this button. Don't care what it says because it's like in my country, whatever. Then press down, whatever this is. Then press this and then wait. Go to here. Press your videos. Then press this like magic thing. Then press this, whatever, like the second one. If you didn't post any videos, then press the first one or whatever. Then go press change. It should be downloaded. Press this one. Open. Then maximize the size to the circle that you made, like this. Let's make it small. Oh, here we go. Like, I can make it like that, or I can make it like huger, like that. Then press done, and then you can press this button. It's black now. And then press go to channel, and then you see it changed. So see you guys next time. Hope this was easy enough for you to understand. So yeah, let's just go back. And you can find more things on other tutorials that other people make. But yeah, so that's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!